Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 200. You have to find the value of x, y and z, and the condition is given that x is less than y and y is less than z. It means z is the greatest and y is less than z and x is the smallest. So we will solve this. We will write the equation as 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 200. Now we can take 2 raised to power x is common from this. So remaining is 1 plus 2 raised to power y divided by 2 raised to power z, and 2 raised to power z is also divided by 2 raised to power x, and 200 can be written as 8 multiplied 25 because this equals 200. Now we will write this as this is the product of two terms and the product of two terms are equal. It's mean 2 raised to power x equals 8 and the 1 plus 2 raised to power y divided by 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power x equals 25. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 and this is 2 raised to power x. When the basis is same, its power will also be same. So we get x equals 3. So x is 3. Now for the other one, we will write 1 plus 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power x equals 25. Then in the next step, here 1 is added, it will be subtracted. So 2 raised to power y, 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power z by 2 raised to power x. 25 minus 1 is 24. Now we will write 2 raised to power x equals 8. So we get 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z is divided by 2 raised to power x, that is 8, equals 24. Now 8 is multiplied. So 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power z equals 8 multiply 24. Now in the next step we will solve this as, again we will take 2 raised to power y as common. So we get 1 plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power y, and 8 multiply 24 is equal 192. So we can write 2 raised to power y 1 plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power y, and 192 can be written as 2 raised to power 6 into 3 because 64 into 3 is 192. So we will equate this, that we get by equating 2 raised to power y equals 2 raised to power y equals 2 raised to power 6. When the bases are same, its mean power is same, so y equals 6. For the other one, we get 1 plus 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power y equals 3. Now 1 is added, it will multiply, so 2 raised to power z divided by 2 raised to power y equals 2 raised to power y, and 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 raised to power y equal 2 raised to power 6. So we get 2 multiply 2 raised to power 6. Now this is multiplied, so it will be added, so we get 2 raised to power z equal 2 raised to power 7. When the bases are same, power is automatically same, so z equals 7. Now this condition is verified that 7 is less than 6 and 7 is greater than 6. So now we will do the verification is our answer is correct or not. So we will do the verification of this as 2 raised to power x means 3, 2 raised to power y means 6, 2 raised to power z means 7. 8 plus 64 plus 128. So this will be equals 200. It's mean that x equals 3, y equals 6 and z equals 7 is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.